So today is day 11 of self-quarantine. I'm just gonna be referring to each day as what day of quarantine it is because all the days are morphing together and I just think it would be easier to do that. So yeah, I haven't talked to you guys since day 2 of quarantine and it's already day 11. So it's like the time is going by fast, which is good, but then I feel like I'm not getting like that much stuff done because I've been in such like a weird mood, as I think all you guys are probably experiencing some weirdness going on. I feel like I just haven't been that motivated to like get stuff done, even though it's like I have all this time in the world, but I just feel like, I don't know, I feel not the greatest. It's just like there's so much uncertainty in the world and so much like sadness because I just feel so bad for small businesses, for people who are out of work, for people who are getting sick and people who have loved ones who are like dying, who are sick, and it's just like so much badness in the world that it's hard for me to be like, oh, let me just film this cute little like haul or do this, and I don't know, everything just doesn't seem like it has a purpose. But I mean, I hope that my vlogs like bring you guys some sort of joy in this time, but yeah, just know that it's like kind of hard for me to film, and that's why I haven't really been vlogging, because I've just been feeling kind of down. But yeah, I hope you guys are all doing well, staying safe, staying inside as much as possible. But if you guys are healthcare workers, I just want to say thank you so much for everything that you guys are doing. It's just crazy that you guys are putting your life on the line for us, for people who need help. So if I have any followers who are in that realm, or if you guys work at grocery stores or anybody who is like helping and who still have to work, I just want to say thank you for everything that you guys are doing, because without you the world would actually stop. So yeah, we need you guys, so thank you for everybody who is playing that part, or if you guys know anybody, tell them thank you for me. So yeah, I just wanted to come on here and just say that if you're not feeling the greatest these days, it's okay. Like, I have definitely had my bad days. Like yesterday was one of them. The day before was okay, the day before was not good. Like, I just keep going in waves, and I think that's totally normal. Nobody has experienced anything like this. Like, even my grandparents have not gone through something where it affects like the whole entire world, it's just like we don't really know how to navigate this crazy season that we're in. But I mean, this is just a season of life. Like, it will get better. We will be able to hang out with our friends again. We will be able to do stuff like that. And so yeah, I just wanted to check in with you guys, and hopefully you guys are all staying safe and everything like that. But yeah, basically what I feel like I've been doing, just to update you guys, Mandolin and I have just been making food constantly. Basically, I feel like I've been eating constantly, and we have been going on walks almost every night, which is really good. So we've been getting out and getting some exercise, and then we also have been doing like some at-home workouts, not every single night, but we have been trying to. So that's that. Today I actually woke up at noon, and wow, I didn't realize I was gonna sleep that long, but my sleep schedule has been all over the place. Like, I've been staying up late most nights and then like getting up late. I don't know, it's just been kind of all over the place, but my spirits are a little bit higher today than they were yesterday, because I got this email that I'm really excited about, that it could turn into something really cool. We'll see, but I will definitely keep you guys updated with that. But yeah, I'm not going to talk about it yet because I haven't actually spoken to the person. I'm being very vague right now, but if it turns into anything, you guys will know within like a few weeks. Also, I got a new comforter for my bed because I'm starting my bedroom makeover. So yeah, I put a new bedspread on there, and it's from Urban Outfitters. I do really like it. It doesn't really like go with my headboard, I feel like, just like the gray and the like this mauvey color, but it's fine. I do like that it's like a change and it's more colorful. So yeah, I'm just going to clean up my room a bit and then sit around my house like I've been doing the last 10 days. Also, I just wanted to give a quick shout out to my mom, who sent me this little care package. It's so cute. It says hello beautiful, and it came with 6 bath bombs, which I've been taking baths like almost every night, so these will be super nice to have. So cute, right? And then there's also this little scarf and this notebook, which I actually really needed a notebook, so this is perfect. And this cute little ring holder, it's so cute. And then these 3 socks. So I'm gonna be staying nice and cozy and warm. So thank you, Mom. This was so sweet and thoughtful. And then I also got this in the mail. It's called The Upside of Being Down, and I actually pre-ordered this like 2 months ago. It's by the founder of Bando. Her name's Jen Gotch, and I read the first chapter and it was really good. So I'm really excited to finish this, but I will let you guys know my final thoughts when I'm finished. They haven't really been working on the house much, which is good for me. I think this is golden hour. I don't really exactly know when golden hour is supposed to... I think it is, yeah. So yeah, it's actually pretty nice outside. I mean, I definitely need this sweatshirt, but... Ooh, we should go on a walk. Because I literally, oh my god, like... I looked at my, like, health app thing, and it was, like, 500 steps today. Madeline is in the kitchen cooking something up. Let's go see what she's making today. Also, I'm doing my laundry right here. So, gotta finish that. Oh, did you just put them in? I wanted to see.
Veggie meatballs, turkey, and veggie meatballs.
Wow, beautiful. And this is banana
chocolate
muffins?
chip muffins.
Yummy.
And for a sauce.
Aha, tomato and basil. And then the pasta that we're gonna use is probably just some of this, the whole wheat penne, and then my favorite brand of pasta, Banza, and I don't know, maybe we'll throw in this just extra. What do you think?
Yeah, man.
Because we only have like half of that. It sounds so good right now. Also, something came in the mail for me that I talked about in my main channel video where I did my makeover, which you guys need to go watch it if you haven't already, because I made over this living room and I was waiting for this one piece to come to put over on this wall right here, and it came and it's like so tiny. I thought it was gonna be a little bit bigger, but how cute is this? A little tapestry. So let's see, maybe I should put it up right now. Okay, I'm just gonna use these little push pins to put into the wall. Have you guys ever stepped on a push pin, by the way? Oh, I haven't stepped on a push pin, but whew, one time, it was the scariest moment of my life. I was at Forever 21, and you know how they have one of those things where you like, it's like the two pieces. One has like a really sharp point on it and the other one doesn't, and you like put them together. It literally looks like a giant push pin, you know, it has the, whatever. And I stepped on it when I was in the dressing room. There was one left on the ground. I cannot even tell you how bad it hurt. It was awful. And I like told the lady, I was like, oh, like I stepped on this. She was like kind of laughing. She's like, oh, haha, yeah, that sucks. And I was like, I could have died. I really want to get like a really tall plant right here, so I think once that's there, it'll like fill the space nicer. But I do really like this little tapestry. I think it's cute. It goes pretty well with this guy that I got also from Urban. All right, I'm gonna finish doing my laundry. Okay, I just got back from my run. Actually, I did not run, I meant walk. I don't know why I said that. And Madeline has food all ready for me. Beautiful, thank you. How is it?
Good, delicious.
All right, I just washed my hands also, just letting you know. Yes. Good job, Mads.